Bruce from Safiery, and we're in the back of my Range Rover here where we put in the lifestyle kit. Now it's a 200 series or 300 series lifestyle kit, but we dry fitted it in here for me to try it out with the new Scotty 1500. And of course, I love pizza ovens and pizza. My waist will tell you that how much I really love it. Now, we've got in here at the moment a 3000 watt Victron inverter, or 3000VA technically, but because Victron inverters go over 30% for 30 minutes, it will comfortably run the pizza oven, which is 2400 watts, and make coffee in the coffee machine at the same time. So what we're going to do now is we're going to pop the pizza in here. I'm taking it out of the drawer fridge. I can see the temperature of the drawer fridge on the screen here. It's 7.1 degrees C. And in this kit here, we've also got the double induction fitted here. And we could actually be cooking on here with the coffee instead of doing the pizza. But the pizza oven just sits on the top here. Beautiful to take away for a weekend. If you've got a lot of kids, you can then feed them up with the $5 Woolworths pizzas. So let's get cracking, and let's just put it straight in. And that's it. I just press that button, it starts the timer. It's only 2 minutes, it's at 400 degrees C. It's using around 2,400 watts of power, and it just works so well. Let's have a look to see how it turns out. Hello, pizza's ready. Let's lift that out. Coffee's done. I've been sipping that. I just dropped that on the induction hot plate there, and there it is. It's all ready to go. So I've got to say, how good's that?